Here are my favorite essential oils for loving kindness meditation. If you want to deepen the intention or clear stuck feelings of resentment and hurt, the right essential oil can deepen your meditation experience and help you create a consistent daily meditation practice. They end up being your trigger and your reward to sit down. The Metta meditation or loving kindness meditation is a powerful healing heart meditation. So depending on your intention for the meditation, you can choose one of these favorite essential oils for love and connection or an essential oil for forgiveness. The Loving Kindness Metta meditation for beginners is useful to encourage a daily meditation practice by doing the same thing for a couple of days in a row. And it can be also used to balance your pitta dosha when feelings of irritability arise, or use it as a Savasana meditation. So here's the link for the Essential Oil Loving Kindness meditation, and I'll include it at the end of this video to experience this guided meditation with the oil that you end up choosing. I'm Krista with Flourish Yoga, your wellness lifestyle coach using Ayurveda and Essential Oils. The Loving Kindness Meditation is one of the guided meditations that I love to use, especially in the summer season. This healing heart meditation is wonderful to balance that pitta dosha and the fire element feelings of irritation and anger that get stirred up in the heat. So I love to use this for Shavasana meditation, especially during a yin yoga class as well. So before choosing an essential oil for this meditation, let's look at what is this loving kindness meditation used for? What are you looking for to set your intention for it? So forgiveness, love, and connection are the three primary intentions for this metta meditation. Metta being that Buddhist word for loving kindness and compassion. So use the essential oil loving kindness meditation as your daily heart meditation, or when you're in conflict with someone. So when these thoughts keep raising or keep racing through your mind, or that are keeping you up at night, this is a powerful tool to use for forgiveness towards yourself and for others. So let's look more deeply at a few of the essential oils for love and connection and forgiveness. So here's my top 7 picks to use for the Loving Kindness Metta meditation. So I've got 4 single essential oils and 3 blends that incorporate a few of these singles within them. So number 1 has got to be the Rose Essential Oil. So rose is quite simply divine love in a bottle. Anything heart related, rose helps to soften those feelings of anger and to heal our wounds. It's an amazing meditation oil that raises our vibration, and it takes us into that deeper place. It helps us to connect to those feelings of empathy and compassion. All right, so number 2 on the list is geranium. So this is known as the oil of love and trust. So geranium essential oil's light or soft aroma also softens that heart space, fostering connection and encourages us to forgive. So number 3 on our list is bergamot. Bergamot essential oil is all about self-acceptance. So when you need to send loving kindness primarily to yourself, this is your pick. So bergamot helps us to let go of self-judgment. It's especially helpful if you're feeling stuck or need to cleanse away thoughts and feelings so that you can forgive. Because it's a citrus oil, its nature is to clean and clear away residue. So it does that really well. Okay. So number 3 is marjoram, and this is not the soft healer of the first 3, but marjoram essential oil is astringent and spicy. Its warming nature helps to foster connection. So it helps to remove our protective layers, so to speak, so you can kind of open your heart to those feelings of healing and trust. So another beautiful one, quite different in its aroma on that scale. So in terms of the blends, a line doTERRA blend, or it's called the Affirm blend in Canada. This one contains marjoram, bergamot, geranium, and rose, so along with a few other oils. But it's a beautiful supportive blend, mixing all those favorites together, and it helps us to clear away heaviness. So it fosters integrity along with self-acceptance, and it supports both your yoga and meditative practices. I love to use this one for all of those. And then the doTERRA Forgive blend contains bergamot along with several tree oils and herbs. So it's a powerful, no-nonsense cleanser that you can see others and their actions clearly without judgment. It's similar to marjoram in that kind of astringent sense and aroma and clearing away those residues. And the doTERRA Aromatouch Blend contains marjoram, along with other oils that support movement and flow and renewal. So it's one of my favorite Ayurvedic oils for boosting your ojas and renewing your deep energy reserves. But applied to the heart space, it helps you to reconnect to that divinity and compassion to yourself and to others. All right, these are my top picks today to amplify the effects and your intention with the Loving Kindness Meditation. There are several other essential oils for love and connection listed in the Essential Oils for Meditation guide. So the link for that is in the comments and the description. So lots of suggestions, lots of ways that you can play with this, and you'll find your favorite. So after choosing the essential oil that best speaks to you, find your seat and enjoy the essential oil meditation for loving kindness. So we're recording this YouTube guided meditation video as part of the Ayurvedic Tips for Summer series, but it can be used all year long, not just when the summer heat is riling up those feelings. So click the subscribe button below, though, to be notified for the next video in either the Ayurvedic Tips for Summer series or our next essential oil meditation video when that's released. And check out the playlist for more Ayurvedic tips, Ayurvedic self-care rituals, and of course, your favorite essential oil meditations. Namaste.